Hey there guys, Abners here, and we're back with another video for our M4A1 Gel Blaster accessories right here. So we'll go through them one by one, so let's go to our video right now. Okay, so first off, we have our upgraded Red Dot Sight right here. So this one is made of aluminum alloy. In terms of power, this consumes around 10 milliwatts. On paper, it should be good for 100 meters at least in terms of range. And it is powered by 3 of these lithium batteries. And we also have 2 Allen keys included on our package. So that is our upgraded Red Dot Sight for our M4A1 Gel Blaster. This one right here is our large capacity magazine. So this one should take more water gel beads than the previous magazine which we have used from our first video. So it's cylindrical in appearance, not just flat like the other one. It has the same mechanism to connect to our gel blaster here, and you still load the gel beads right there. So that is our upgraded large capacity mag clip for our M4A1 Gel Blaster. And this right here, these are luminous water gel beads. So we also purchased some other type of gel beads here. So when we fire this, these gel beads should light up. So it's still 7 to 8 millimeters after this process. These are luminous water gel beads. And the fourth one would be an Induction Silencer. So this should be a replacement or an upgrade of our muzzle. Of course, this is just made of plastic. In terms of weight, it weighs around 150 grams. It has a battery inside which is rechargeable. And it comes with this charging cable. And that right there is our charging port. So you plug this on any USB interface that you have. So when you are charging this, there should be a red light being seen from the unit, and it disappears when it's fully charged. Since this will be our replacement muzzle, so when the gel beads pass through here, those 3 LEDs on the front should light up like so. That's how it should look. So we'll test it out as well later. That is our Induction Silencer for our M4A1 Gel Blaster. So there you go, guys, with our accessories for our M4A1 Gel Blaster. We have the Red Dot Sight. It's quite accurate based on our testing. And we have our large cap magazine here. It really does hold more gel beads for us to play longer without changing magazines. We also did the Luminous Gel Beads. The only problem with the gel beads, as you can see, we were not really able to capture them on camera showing their glow, but we captured the glow while we were making them absorb water, right, on the container. But when we transfer it here on our magazine, it lights up, but it's really hard to keep them charged before you capture firing with the gel blaster. And of course, our induction silencer right here, this one is really great. We captured a lot of good footage using our silencer here, and it actually is fun to play with as well as to look at while using your gel blaster. So this one is a good buy. I recommend this one really. So if you want to check out all our accessories which we have discussed from this video, we will leave links on the video description for you to check out. So as always, if you have inquiries, please do not hesitate to leave a comment down below, and we will try our best to answer your questions. There you go, guys. Please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abners Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all to get notified when we upload another one of our blaster reviews right here, as well as our usual video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here.
Perfect.
That's been it. This is Abners Reviews, and we will catch you guys on the next one.